Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit Township layout. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Township on my phone and this is how the game looks like. So basically guys, this is my town. If you go right here to the top right corner, you're going to find your coins and your Tcash. As you can see guys, I have 699 coins and also 38 Tcash. If you want to buy or get more coins, for example, you can click on this plus icon and from here you can buy coins with real money. Or if you want to earn coins, just go to this little note icon, click on it, and right here you're going to find the available tasks. You can click on the box right here in order to see the rewards. For example, if you produce cow feed, you're going to get 2 XPs and also 13 coins. Right here in the top, you're going to find the settings. And next to it, you're going to find the edit mode. If you click on it, you're going to be like this in the edit mode. For example, I'm going to click right here. We can select the landscape type. For example, I'm going to select this one. And you can redesign the landscape like this. So, for example, I'm going to drag my finger like this. And as you can see, guys, now I'm making a lake right here. Once you finish editing, you can either press the X button or the check button to confirm the changes. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.